Best home remedy for better sleep. Enjoying a good night's sleep is very important for your health. It will help you be happier, keep your brain sharp, strengthen your immune system, keep your waistline trim, make your skin glow, and lower your risk of high blood pressure and heart disease. The amount of sleep needed each night varies, but for adults, getting at least 7 hours every night is crucial to having a healthy mind and body. And when you don't get enough sleep, your life will be miserable. Here we have a simple home remedy which helps you for good sleep. For this remedy, we need honey, salt, and coconut oil. Take a bowl with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and add 1 tablespoon of honey and finally a pinch of salt. Raw honey creates a cascade of sleepy chain reactions. It triggers the release of a small insulin spike. That spike causes the brain to produce tryptophan, which turns into serotonin, which then turns into melatonin. Coconut oil is a super healthy fat that provides you with the necessary building blocks which your body needs to produce sleep hormones like serotonin and melatonin. Coconut oil which also help you feel fuller longer so you won't be waking up with the munchies. Mix all the ingredients well and consume 1 spoon before going to bed. Follow this simple remedy regularly to notice better sleep and also avoid using mobile phones or laptops before going to sleep. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.